Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the coolest content on the web. I'm Nicola, and today we have something truly epic in store for you. So if you're ready to dive into an adventure and have a blast, then buckle up and hit that subscribe button right now. Before we jump into the action, make sure you've smashed that like button and turned on notifications so you never miss out on any of our thrilling uploads. Now, you may be wondering what today's video is all about. Well, hold on tight because we're about to take you on an exhilarating journey. So, if you're up for a wild ride and ready to join us on this incredible adventure, then hit that play button right now and let's get started. Thank you so much for tuning in. And as always, remember to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into the action. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that has revolutionized the way people do business. Online business. In this video, we'll dive into different online business models such as dropshipping, e-commerce, and digital products. We'll also provide you with valuable guidance on how to start and grow your own online business. So let's jump right in. Before we explore the different online business models, let's understand why starting an online business has become so popular. The internet has transformed the way we connect, shop, and do business. With over 4.9 billion active internet users worldwide, the online marketplace offers an incredible opportunity to reach a vast audience and generate significant income. First up, we have dropshipping. This business model has gained immense popularity due to its low startup costs and ease of entry. Dropshipping allows you to sell products online without the need for inventory or shipping logistics. Here's how it works. When a customer purchases a product from your online store, you forward the order to a supplier or manufacturer who then ships the product directly to the customer. As a dropshipper, your primary role is marketing and customer service. You can set up a dropshipping store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or even marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. Next on our list is, commerce, which involves selling physical products online through your own online store. Unlike dropshipping, in e-commerce, you maintain your inventory and handle the shipping process. Let's break it down. To start an e-commerce business, you need to source products, either by manufacturing them yourself or partnering with suppliers. You set up your online store using platforms like Shopify, Magento, or WordPress with an e-commerce plugin. Then you handle the inventory, management, order fulfillment, and shipping logistics. This model gives you more control over your products and branding. Now, let's talk about digital products. This online business model revolves around creating and selling digital goods or services. Digital products offer a unique advantage as they can be created once and sold repeatedly without additional production costs. Let's explore some examples. Digital products can include e-books, online courses, software, music, graphics, and even consulting services. You can sell them on your website through marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad, or by leveraging affiliate marketing. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for passive income is significant. Now that we've covered the different online business models, let's focus on how to start and grow your online business, regardless of the model you choose. These tips are crucial for success in the online marketplace. Research and identify your niche. Find a profitable niche that aligns with your interests, skills, and target audience. Conduct thorough market research to understand the competition and demand for your products or services. Build a professional website. Create a user-friendly website that reflects your brand and showcases your products or services. Optimize it for search engines SEO. To attract organic traffic, develop a strong brand. Invest time in creating a compelling brand identity, including a memorable logo, brand colors, and a consistent tone of voice. This helps differentiate your business and build trust with your audience. Engage with social media. Leverage the power of social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to promote your products. Engage with customers and build a community around your brand. Focus on customer experience. Provide excellent customer service by promptly responding to inquiries, resolving issues, and ensuring a smooth buying experience. Positive reviews and word of mouth recommendations can significantly impact your online business. Implement effective marketing strategies. Utilize a mix of digital marketing techniques such as content marketing, email marketing, influencer partnerships, and paid advertising to reach and convert potential customers. Continuously learn and adapt. The online business landscape is constantly evolving. Stay updated with industry trends, consumer behavior, and new technologies. Be open to experimenting and adapting your strategies to stay ahead of the competition. Congratulations! You now have a solid understanding of different online business models and how to start and grow your own online business. Remember, building a successful online business takes time, dedication, and perseverance. Stay focused, be consistent, and never stop learning. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep chasing your online business dreams. Take care and bye for now.